Hey guys, this is Sam, and I wanted to make this very quick video actually, since I haven't been able to do a live stream in past few days. I wanted to make sure that I do this very quickly. Okay, so one of the things I really wanted to talk about in this video is perfection, how perfection is a dream killer. And I wanted to talk about this because I've learned this lesson at a great cost, so I used to almost pride myself as being a perfectionist, and through my this journey of entrepreneurship, I've realized how perfection can really stop you in your tracks. How you can actually hide behind perfection and not take action. It can really, like, it's a big excuse actually, and it's like a fear. It's a fear disguised in the form of perfection. So I always I hear this, that your imperfect action would always triumph your perfect inaction, anytime. So you have to just take action as much as possible, because trust me, if you really want to get anywhere close to accomplishing your goals and achieving your dreams, you have to take action. Long, sustained, imperfect actions. Okay, and let me tell you this quick story about how I learned this lesson. So I ventured out a few times before in my career, and previous times when one of the previous time when I ventured out to be an entrepreneur, I was building a product. Okay, I was building my own software product, and I started to do the coding myself. I wanted to do everything myself because I wanted it to be perfect, and I wanted everything to be perfect. I wanted it to be really a polished product. Okay, so I took a long time to build that product. It took me almost close to 3 years to actually complete the whole product, and the whole product was quite revolutionary. Most of you who know me, you know exactly which product I'm talking about. But I took a long time, and I thought that if I have this perfect product, it looks really cool, it has all these features, and once I build this product and I put it out there, people are gonna be wowed, and they'll just it's gonna start snowballing. And what I didn't realize was that by the time I was done building this product, there were competitors that already came in the market, and my one of my biggest competitors, they came after me, but they put their product in the market before me. Okay, so the and when they put their product in the market, when I looked at their product, and I was like, man, this is so rudimentary, and what I have, like, I had way more polished product than that almost a year back, with way more features and a lot more user friendly. And I thought, wow, how can they put a product like this in the market already? And I was still like busy putting my head down, busy building my product and perfecting it, because like I said, I used to pride myself as being a perfectionist. So I took like a long time to just put my product out there. But by the time I decided to go to the market, basically with my product, there were like already few competitors, like I mentioned, and I didn't have that first. I lost my first movers advantage, and in the process, I lost a big chunk of the market, and I couldn't make my venture successful. And just recently, actually, I want to say probably a year back, that competitor that I was talking to you about, they captured the entire market, and they have become $1 billion company, literally $1 billion company. And another competitor that came way after me. um, it was acquired by Adobe for millions and millions of dollars, and I look at those two instances, and it really, well, it really, hits me hard. And not only that, so the product that I'm talking about is ePact, electronic pact. So I built that product where you can, digitally sign any contract without, ever having to use a paper. So you can create your contracts paperless by using digital signatures and things like that. And I built that product, and I couldn't make my venture successful, but all this, my competitors became huge, and one of this company, DocuSign, that became like $1 billion company, and I had to give up my venture and go back to full-time job, 9 to 5 job, and to actually to top my hurt, like putting salt to my injury. When I went back to job, the employers who hired me, they sent me a contract to sign using DocuSign. They sent me exactly the same product of my competitor, and I had to use my competitor's product to sign an employment document to go back to 9 to 5 job. And that was the big irony, so every time now when I receive a contract and anyone says, hey, I'm sending you DocuSign, can you sign this contract, it just like as if someone is putting a knife in my heart, because I poured my heart and soul into building that product 3 years. But I was hesitant to go to market without perfecting it. And that's the big lesson I learned, that don't wait to put yourself out there, because each one of us has a lot of value to offer. You don't know, there's that one person, if you put yourself out there without thinking too much about what people will think and what what to say and how you look and things like that, if you just put yourself out there, you don't know whose life you're going to impact, whose life you're going to touch and make a difference, because God has placed so much on the inside of each and every one of us, and we have so much to offer to people. And if you don't put yourself out there, it's almost like being selfish. You're being selfish for trying to be perfect, because then you're just thinking of yourself. You want to make the first impression, you want to wow people, and you are being selfish, and you don't know whom you are robbing from the blessings that you can give. So I just wanted to make this quick video and just talk about this, about how perfection could be a dream killer. So just if you're doing something, if you're creating any product, if you're venturing out, if you're an entrepreneur, or any field for that matter, if you have some giftings that God has given you, just use it. Just put yourself out there and start using it. Put it out there. People will tell you, market will validate your product, and they will let you know, and they'll be honest about it, and they are going to give you feedback. And through all that, you're going to improve your skills, you're going to sharpen your products and make it better. But let people see your growth. That's what I've learned. Let people see your growth. Put yourself out there. If you want to do a video, just start doing a video, start doing live streaming. Let people see your imperfection, and let them see you grow through all that, because they are going to appreciate that when they look at your journey and how far you have come from your first video or first live streaming to your 100th one. They will see the difference, and they will see your growth, and it will encourage them and motivate them to take a step as well. So just don't hide behind the curtain of perfection. go out there and put yourself out there and start using your giftings and your talents that God has given you. And whatever, if you're working on a business or a venture, just put it out there and take it from there, one step at a time. Start taking imperfect action, okay? Every single day. Massive imperfect action. That's the key to success. All right. So that's pretty much it. Tomorrow, I think I might drive up to Sacramento, a couple of hours from here, because there is one huge poker tournament going on, and I haven't played a poker tournament in a while. So I'm planning to go and play this WPT tournament. So I haven't decided yet, but I might go and play. And if I do, maybe I'll do a live stream from there. So that's pretty much it, guys. Wanted to make this quick video to encourage you to go out there and start taking massive imperfect actions. All right. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.